Hi there, my dear Capricorn friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your yearly 2025 reading. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Capricorns. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. So if you will like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, love and light, namaste. Let's start. Right. Miss Spirit Guides, what are the messages for our dear Capricorn friends for the month for the year of 2025? My Spirit Guides, what are the messages for our dear Capricorns for the year 2025? Right. So this is for the first quarter of the year. Okay. For the month of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and January, February, March. Okay. So for the confirmation card, for the tarot cards. Oh my God. Um, for the angel spirit message. Okay, this one jumps out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the animal spirit guides. Oh my God, sorry. Sorry. For the love and romance oracle card. I'm doing the like a comprehensive reading. Life, business, career, love and romance. And let's see. And for the yes or no answer. Wow. All yes. Let's see. Okay. For those Capricorns who believe in, the power of crystal, let's see what is the best crystal for you to bring with you all the time, or you can put it uh, in your bedroom. Okay. The crystal is, the positive effect. Okay, let's see. Oh, the green one. I'll check the green one. It's a nephrite. Protection and balance. Nephrite appearance. A light green stone sometimes found in blue, gray, and white. It is translucent to sub-translucent with a milky hue. Uses. Nephrite is a protective stone symbolizing life, growth, and abundance. It suits and harmonizes, bringing disorder into balance, and is a powerful charm for luck. Okay. And your message from the universe for the year 2025, entire 2025. Stop trying to carry the world on your shoulder. Stop trying to carry the world on your shoulder. So, if you feel like it's really, for example, if you're having this problem, you're dealing with problem, then um, talk with someone who you can trust with, and then you might, that friend or a sibling or a family can give you an advice. Or if you have a work or a job that needs to do, but you feel like, or a task to do, but you feel like you cannot do it on your by yourself only, then um try to ask help from someone. Okay, right. For the month of January, February, March, you have a very beautiful card in here, my dear Capricorn friends. Wow, this is a very good luck card. Yeah, it's Ace of Spades. You are now overcoming from your troubles, problems, difficulties for some of you, okay? Yeah, and this is a fortune card, okay? So, very beautiful card. And the confirmation of that, if you are a spiritual, a prayer warrior, and you are asking help from Mama Mary, or whoever your God that you are believing in, then she is with you. She is going to grant what you are asking from her. Yes. Or for some of you, if you feel like you wanted to start a new project or a good business, and you need some money or you need really a great advice what to do, then there is a water sign motherly figure in here that will give you a fair helpful advice. This is a water sign like um Pisces, um Cancer and Scorpio energy, with an energy of that. And then she will a very affectionate, loving woman who will give you. It can be your mother, your grandmother, your boss, or maybe someone who owned a business that you can ask a helpful information how to start a business. Yeah. Your tarot card message is the world. It's a major arcana number 21. This is a yes card, associated, aligned to, um, what is this? Um, oh, sorry. Um, al- aligned energy. Sorry. Saturn energy, which is discipline and responsibility, and associated with root chakra. Okay, there is a success, achievement, accomplishment, travel that is on the horizon, and completion. This is a beautiful card, right? And for that's for the month of January to March. February, March, there is a five of fire. This is the card from message from the um, angel spirit guides. Okay, competing goals, bothersome details, conflict with others. Oh yeah, I can feel it in here that at work you are surrounded with some ill will people. Yeah, and this is a warning card in here. Okay, try to avoid them, because if you will not avoid them, you are going to have conflict with them. Yes, because you are a highly intuitive individual, and you know you will feel that you are gossiping about you, they are jealous about you, and maybe they might do something on you, maybe behind your back, and then when you will find it out, it will piss you off and you will confront them. So that's why the conflict will start. So try to avoid, okay? This is a warning card. This is an animal spirit guides message for you. It says, rescue dog, 6 of spring. You may receive a promotion, be chosen for a scholarship, or find that you are singled out for special recognition. You have done an amazing job and you deserve all the attention. So you might receive a reward in here, and an acknowledgement or recognition, a well-deserved achievement. Okay. For those who are seeking an advice from the spirit guides regarding their job, career, or business, flashback. People from the past return. You may work with a previous co-worker or take back an old job. You get a second change. You get a second change. Okay. A message of love oracle deck message for you. Disagreements. I wish you understood how I feel. Oh, well, try to patch it up. Try to talk again. Yeah, maybe you are not only in a good mood to discuss that matter, but try to patch it up. For those who are seeking a yes or no advice, a yes or no answer, yes, being shown the way, welcome with open arms. Wow! If for those who are planning to do something, then go ahead. There's a green signal in here. Okay, for the April, May, and June, message for you, my dear Capricorn friends. Oh, three of spade. This is a third party situation. Okay. It's not a romantic life only, but for those who are like, for example, if you are, if you and your boss, right, is, is doing something or taking something, but just only the two of you knows, and you tell the other third person, and it will spread up, and it's only a secret supposed to be, then please do not do that. Avoid, 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 because there is a conflict in here. For those who are dealing with a third party relationship, a romantic life, then do not do it. Step out from that toxic situation because it will just give you a big problem, a headache. Okay, so please, please, please. The four of diamonds in here. It says in here there is a financial upswing. You will, for some of you, you will receive a financial inheritance, or for those who are buying lotto, you will receive a big amount of money. I didn't say it's a million, okay? It says only in here that this card indicates that I can, a big amount of money you will receive from the lotto, okay? And there is an older person in here who will give you an advice as well, okay? And maybe it is your father, a grandfather, or someone that you will seek an advice what to do. Yeah. um your tarot card message in here is Eight of Cups, moving on. It's a no card associated with Pisces energy. Yes, and aligned with planet Saturn, which is um, responsibility and discipline, and aligned to solar plexus chakra. It says in here, if you feel like, um, all right, okay, you have disappointments in life. For example, if at work, if you feel like someone, you are surrounded with some ill will people and doing bad things behind your back or gossiping you or something, you will be disappointed. Or if you ask help from them and they will just ignore you, then you will be disappointed. So I think you have this Eight of Cups is saying that be try to move on, just ignore them. They can't those energy will not help you. Your angel message in here, angel message, angel spirit guides message is five. How many fives have you got in here? Yes, one, two, three. There's another five in here. Hmm. Unity, Archangel Sandalphon, traditional viewpoints or methods, spiritual organization. Seek out mentors and like-minded friends. That's right. Yes. Yes, try to ask if you feel like you need something, you need an advice what to do. Yeah, if you wanted to do something and it makes you realize that, oh, I need someone, or I need to be with a like-minded friends so that they can advise me or like that, then go ahead. Animal spirit guide message for you is for the month of April, May, June, Queen of Autumn. Thoughtful, caring, creative, ingenious. Virgin hair. You will be given advice that both practical and creative, and it should be followed precisely. Focus only upon the positive in every situation or person. As I've said, seek an advice. Yay. Sorry about that. Many choices. For those who are seeking a message from the universe about their job, career, and business, it says in here many choices. You have options, even if you don't see them right now. Get creative and look around. Pull a card for each option to see what's the best. That's right. Right, your message of love oracle deck is runner. I don't want to run anymore. If you become irresponsible before, then you feel like you want to be responsible now. You want to face what the consequences is. Okay, for those who are seeking a yes or no advice, yes or no answer, it's in here yes. Neatly tied up, secured, trustworthy connection. Okay, meaning if you are planning to do something with someone or ask an advice from someone, then go ahead because it's a trustworthy connection. It's secured, neatly tied up. Yeah, that person will give you really a very good advice. Okay, for the month of July, August, September, it says in here, there is achievements, there is business success in here, although there is a problem or disagreement from the opposite sex. If you're a male, then a female is disagreeing of what is to be given to you. Just ignore. Okay? It's not her who is disagreeing. That if she's disagreeing, ignore her. As long as you will receive that reward, recognition, promotion, it's not from her. It's not from him. It's from the higher boss. Okay. Five of spade. Right. For those who are, yeah, it came into my mind now. If you are promoted and you are surrounded with ill will people, then I think I can feel it in here that you will ask to be transferred to another area. Yeah? And so, at the moment, be patient. Okay? It says in here, five of spade, opposition and obstacles and obstructions are just only temporary. It is just like a life test for you. Okay? But after that, there will be a reward. God is watching, remember. Of course, God will not let you suffer throughout your life being with this ill will, with these wicked people. Okay? So it says in here, ah, because you are surrounded with ill will people and they are the one who is depressed, who have problems in their life. That's why they are jealous to you because they can see you. You are, it's like you have almost everything. You have a happy family. They can see you. Yeah, that you have the ability to go up, to be promoted. All right, your tarot card message is Seven of Pentacles. Wow, you are making investments in here. It's a yes card and associated with planet Mercury, which is communication and mentality. You are a good communicator, my dear Capricorn friends. Okay, so use that. And then you are mentally stable to do those. Okay, you are very wise, you are very creative, and really, and also in here you will receive an inheritance. Yes, and it says that you have to be patient. Okay, I can feel it in here that for some of you is suffering from a knee pain, a bone pain, yeah, somewhere like a joint pain, or some of you are having a knee, a teeth problem. Okay, um, but don't worry, I can feel it in here that the wheel of fortune is spinning. Okay, so expect the unexpected. That's for the better. Your angel spirit guides message for the month of July, August, September is 21 the world. Archangel Michael, it's a completion. A job well done. there is joy, contentment, and gratitude, the path toward enlightenment. So use that promotion, uh, recognition to ask to be away from those wicked um, workmates or individual. Okay, um, in here from the animal spirit guides message for you, there is a dragonfly, 5 of summer. Focus upon the fact that God loves you and always has the highest of intentions for you. A positive outlook makes it easier to recover from life's little difficulties so that you can move onward and upward. Okay. For those who are seeking a message from the universe regarding their job, career, and business, it says fast changes. As I've said earlier on, the wheel fortune is spinning now. Expect the unexpected. Yeah, fast changes. You will be leaving a job. Wow. See, suddenly, or getting one very quickly, or your work may change dramatically in a short time. Go with the flow. A message of love, Oracle deck. It says in here, broken. I feel shattered about this situation because for some of you, you have these suspicions of betrayal that your behalf is playing around behind your back. Then talk to your behalf. Okay, talk to it and try to patch it up. Okay, and then just tell that I am already shattered. I want this to be changed. Okay, because I can feel it. Okay, and for those who are seeking an answer, those who are wanted to do something, seeking an answer, if it's a yes or no, then it's a yes. Finding fertile ground, steady growth, and fruitful. Wow. Okay. For the month of October, November, December, mhm, it says in here, Two of Diamonds. Two of Diamonds is a great card for sales. Or for those who are single, you may find love at work or business area. For those who are committed and having a business relationship with someone, then you might be tempted to um, involve in a love affair that is not approved by family, friends, or workmates. I can feel it in here that one of you is committed or two of you is committed or married. So there will be a big gossips, rumors that will spread. And now you will worry that maybe your family will know. Okay, so if I were you, better to step out from that temptation there because that is only a negative energy for you. See a confirmation in here, 3 of Diamonds. You will be dealing with legal issues, legal arguments. Okay, and also this card for those who are tactless or for those who are in a higher position, it says in here, be tactful to others to avoid disputes or legal arguments. Okay, so with this, if I were you, if you are dealing or you have just started dealing or involved in a third party relationship, then you better stop it now. Okay, or for those who are like I know you are a straightforward person, my dear Capricorns, but sometimes you have to watch your words. Okay, because people who is going to be hurt with your words can file a case against you or can file a complaint against you. So be careful. Your tarot card message for you is Ace of Cups, outpouring. financial abundance, prosperity, and success. But despite of that, then you will be tested with these wicked people. So be careful. Watch your words, okay? And Capricorn people can be very emotional. So if you are dealing with problems, you are going to have lack of sleep. You will be very moody. The mood swings will occur. So with that, good sleep, good rest is also advised for you. Okay. So in here, it's a yes card associated with Pisces energy and Scorpio energy and Cancer energy, and also aligned to crown chakra. There is new beginnings in here for those who will be transferred to a new workplace, for those who are going to a new house or a new um, place or going abroad. There is a new beginnings in here, new relationship for those who are broken hearted, um, for those who are single as well, new romance, wow, new love, happiness, joy. This is a very beautiful card. Yes, this is a very beautiful card. Ace of Air. This is your angel spirit guides message for you. It says brilliant new ideas and inspiration, seeing the truth of a situation, a challenging beginning. But I know that Capricorn can do tirelessly work hard for that. So I do believe on your hard work. 5, unity. This is a animal spirit guides for you. Number 5, a unity. Polar bear. Embrace this time of deep spiritual growth. You may feel called to act as a mentor, find a new teacher, or spend time with others who are also on a sacred path. Okay, for those who are spiritual warrior, prayer warrior, or those who are doing a spiritual activity, then be with um, like-minded friends and be with people who have a same connection with you. Okay. For those who are seeking messages from the universe for their job, career, and business, the future. It says plan for the future while living in the present. You are always supported by spirits. Your psychic abilities can bring you prosperity. Yes, I do agree with that. Capricorn, you are a very highly intuitive individual and a very spiritual individual. A message of love oracle deck. It says unsatisfied. At the moment you are unsatisfied with your relationship, maybe with your husband, your wife, your partner, your loved one. I was not happy the way things were going because you feel like someone is flirting behind your back. Someone is betraying behind your back. Someone is playing around behind your back. They didn't know that you can feel it because you are highly intuitive. It's your instinct, and then you better talk to your behalf so that they will know that you know. Okay, for those who are asking for a yes or no question, for those who are thinking about something, yeah, it's a yes card. Golden opportunity, clouds lifting, clear sky. So it's a green signal to do. I mean, to go what you want to do at this time. Okay, for the last 3 months. January, February, and March. Okay, Four of Heart. Four of Heart, it's a late marriage. Second marriage can be, there is travel in here, stability. Number 4 is a stability foundation. For those who are, okay, for those who are going to have a late marriage or a second marriage, means that there will be a stability on that relationship soon. Okay, that is your soulmate. For those who are happily married and happily committed, then that is your soulmate. You are with your soulmate at the moment, right? Okay. And oh my God, it says in here, three of, I think, yes, it says in here, you're on your second quarter. See, that is same. It's a double confirmation. Okay, that you have to step out from a third party relationship or a third party situation. It doesn't matter if it's a romantic relationship or a working relationship or a business relationship. Step out from a third party situation because it will just give you a headache. Focus on what is given to you. Okay? If you are married, then be happy with your husband or wife. Or if you are happily committed with someone, focus on that relationship and be happy and be contented. If you have a business partner, then focus with that business partner. Do not deal with another one. It's like cheating, yeah, just to get more money. No, do not cheat. Do not cheat. Your tarot card message is the Lovers. This is a Gemini card. It's a yes card. It's associated with a Gemini energy and aligned to Mercury, communication and mentality, and aligned to heart chakra. It says in here there are major choices. There is love as well and soulmate that is going to happen, or maybe it's now ongoing. Temptation to avoid, as I've said earlier on, isn't it? And kindred spirits, perfect unions. For those who are happily married, then be happy. Angel spirit guides message for you is number 11. Strength Archangel Ariel. Great inner strength release harsh judgment to avoid conflict, and forgiveness and compassion is needed in here. The animal spirit guides message for you, it's a 6 of summer. Goose. The love and care of children could become an important part of your life, or people from your childhood may return to it. Old memories can be healed, or possibly old childhood dreams are really to be revived. So just remember that. Yeah? For those who are seeking advice from the universe regarding their job, career, and business, beginning. There's a new beginning in here. So if you are planning to apply for a new job or wanting to transfer to a new workplace, then do it. There's a new beginning in here. It's a good time to start a new job or a whole new career. You have creative ideas that get noticed. Build a nest egg for the future. Okay, for those, a message of love, Oracle deck, confusion. See, if you are going to have a third party relationship, huh, it will just give you a confusion and headache. So stop it. I feel unclear about where we stand. See? So please, please, if you just started it, stop it. Stop it. As for those who are seeking an yes or no answer for their questions or for their plan, it's a yes card. Hot opportunity, fired up, burning desires fulfilled. Wow. Generally, overall, um, cards, it's a positive card. So meaning, if there's a life challenges or life test on you, just be patient, okay? Remember that you have the positive cards in here. As I've said, the wheel of fortune is spinning in here. Expect the unexpected. Ignore the wicked people around you. Be optimistic and have confidence. Okay. Um, for there are a lot of career opportunities in here, and business, if you are a business owner, business is growing in here, and your family, and especially children, is your happiness in here, your strength. Okay, so 2025 is a golden period of changes with better. And so money luck is on your side. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear Capricorns. Good luck on your life journey. If you will like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste.